In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings. When you're ready, scroll down to access Security section over here. Security and Privacy. Now it's time to scroll down again and click on Device Unlock. Finally, click on Screen Lock and tap on the best locking method for you to set it up: pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. Hit Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Now you need to answer this question by choosing one of the available options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification on lock screen, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hit Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!